Padakshep tutorial. Here we will see how we have new integrated Gmail where we can have chat rooms, chat, we can chat with anybody at Padakshep, and also we can use Google Meet. So let's go to inbox first. So this is an email, traditional Gmail, but this is under padakshep.org domain, so you will see difference with your personal Gmail. Here you have inbox, but here you have chat. You can start a chat with someone just like you do on your Google Chat app. You can create a room just like your Google Chat app. Here you can talk to people, start a group conversation. Let's say I want to chat with Arnab. So this is how you chat. Now if you go to a room where I was added, so this is a, just looks like very similar to Google Chat app, where you have all these buttons here, emoji, uploading your file or from your Google Drive, or you can start Google Meet just like your Google Chat, and you can also forward an important message to your email directly. But the important part of this is that it's already in Gmail, so you literally do not have to unless it's super important. You can always find this just by searching here on the search bar here, and you can see it says search mail and chat. So chat, conversations are also part of your search. Now one important difference here under Gmail is that whenever you upload a file, for example I have uploaded this file, it is under this files tab right here, so you're not going to lose this at all. This is much better than you're using just Google Chat app, and this is also available under your Gmail app on your phone. So let's say I have uploaded this, I can theoretically I can forward this to my inbox, but I can also find it under files, and from there I can add it to my Google Drive specific folder that I want, and it says added to Google Drive, and then if I go there I can find that file here. So that's the idea. It's very simple. um, Another point is tasks. This is very important. So whenever we discuss with you know people in the chat room, maybe there is something that we need to do urgently, we can immediately add that job. Let's say filing tax return or something like that, and we can add some details here. um, must be done soon or whatever. We can add a time, so this would be our deadline, so it will constantly remind us. We can also set a time by, let's say, 12 p.m., noon. We can importantly assign this to a person within that chat room. Obviously we cannot do that outside the chat room, but we can add a person who will be assigned for that job. So here all the tasks will be listed that needs to be done urgently, and there will be a message here as well on the chat. Now there is one other thing that we can do. We already know how to use Google Meet, but we can also use Zoom. And on your right you can see Zoom for G Suite. This has been added by the admin, so you can quickly use Zoom as well if you need to. So all you have to do, click on that, sign in, sign in with Google, and select your account. and you have to confirm your birthday, and let's say something that is reasonable. um, Continue. It says create account, so this will create an account within Zoom, and it says you cannot authorize the app. Don't worry, just click that pre-approve and authorize. Now you can use Zoom for G Suite if needed. So that's how this new Gmail looks like. You also have the tasks here. Your personal tasks can be listed here, which is within or without, outside your chat rooms, that can also be listed here. So that's all I wanted to share at this point.